Christmas is over. New Year's here. The front is like 20 minutes cardio today. 4 kilometers to start with, 10 degrees. We will push that up to 5 kilometers an hour, 15 degrees. That will rip down about 250, 300 calories. On the treadmill. Today's the day that a lot of you are going to officially, that's in your mind anyway, even though you're not going to step into the gym, start your new regimes. Unfortunately, what you should be doing is not waiting for a specific date or time to make that change and start, and do it right now. What I mean to say by that is there are 365 days in the year, and you choose this specific one, New Year's Day, to make these changes, to better yourself, set yourself some goals, to feel a sense of accomplishment and achievement when you step towards the goals, not necessarily achieve what you've planned out for yourself, but you take that one step closer. There are 364 remaining days. Of these days remaining, why can't you make everyone a New Year's Day and make those changes little by little? Each day make one little change. By the end of the year, you'll have 365 changes for the betterment and positive of you, your body and your mind. So don't try and cram it all in one day, and don't go more than none. That is from a real bad crap shit diet to a pure clean, because you won't stick to it. There needs to be some form of transition from bad to good, or from no training, no exercise, to high intensity training 5-6 days a week. The transition is the time you should be spending the next 4 to 6 weeks on, which will ramp you up and rev you up ready for this summer, 6 months, 7 months away. All the work you put in right now will make a difference towards July and August. So this is the groundwork for what is to come. We've done a bit of guns today, size and price. We can see that the guns in the arms are full, fully plugged. And again, even though it's Christmas, I've actually put on about 6 to 8 pounds, mainly predominantly water retention with the high salt foods. Not so much caloric. Body weight is about 1510 first thing in the morning. Within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should stabilise at about 15.7, 15.8. Hopefully, trying to harden up at that weight as well and grow into a bigger, better me. Stay tuned for the advice. Best wishes to you guys for the new year. But remember, make every day a new year. And if you can do that, you've got 365 changes in the whole year, not just one day and one opportunity. Over and out.